Got a few questions for you. Have you heard these words before? Your child will grow out of this. It's too early to go to the orthodontist because there are still baby teeth present. Just wait for the baby teeth to fall out, and then we'll see what to do from there. If you've heard these words before, or even thought these things before, then you are living under the myth that orthodontic treatment is only for adults and adult teeth. As an experienced orthodontic specialist, I find it horrifying that so many parents are misinformed about how and when to correctly take action with their kids' developing teeth and smile. That's why I've put together this third video. In the last two modules, I've given you two pieces of sound advice, and hopefully you've really listened to what I've had to say. If so, by now you've made an appointment to see me. If you haven't, then it's quite possible you're heading down the road of unnecessary and costly treatments for your child that could have been avoided. You see, if your child has a crossbite, an underbite, or even an overbite, this can affect the way the teeth and bite forms, ultimately leading to them needing antiquated headgear, expanders, or even gum and jaw surgery. But if we can pick this up early enough, then we can correct it by using braces. By correcting these problems with braces early, we can avoid those types of orthodontic treatments being needed, saving you money and your child the stress of complicated procedures and completely avoiding painful extractions and surgery in the future. One of the ways that we can predict what's going to happen down the road with your child's teeth is by taking a panoramic x-ray. It allows us to see whether the jaw bone of your child is big enough to hold their teeth or not. If it's not, then there are treatment options we can provide to ensure this problem is corrected now before it worsens. If it's left untreated, that's when crooked teeth can cause more extreme issues to surface. You cannot necessarily assume that your family dentist will pick up on these issues at a routine checkup, since a panoramic x-ray is often not even taken. Most dental offices don't even have a panoramic x-ray machine, while orthodontic specialists are required to take this x-ray as they're part of their standard records for every patient. In addition, dentists are not often equipped with the advanced training and experience to provide you with a selection of appropriate treatment options and strategies to deal with it. Orthodontists, just like me, are specialists. Being a specialist, we received specific advanced training in this area, which helps us to provide treatments that will ensure your child gets the appropriate treatment that they need. In many cases, the treatment is nothing, so they simply come in for a screening and leave with no work being done on their teeth. In a few cases, we have to take action to save you money and ensure that your child's teeth grow exactly as they should. So here's what I suggest you do right now. I suggest you use the form beside this video to request an appointment. Your kid's oral health is worth it, and you could wind up saving thousands of dollars on your orthodontic treatments in the future.